In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and merciful. Respected sir and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hafiz Muhammad Manir, artist in Maksad Limul Kalam Lesson Garden. Today, today we celebrate the 77th anniversary of our beloved Pakistan independence on this day. In 1947, our nation was born a free and servant state that remember struggles and sacrifices of our founding fathers led by Qazi Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who fought tirelessly for our freedom. Long live Pakistan. Happy independence.